paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a clay octopus today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this, we will require Play-Doh. Let's get it out of the box and start mixing it. Once we mix it, why don't we start making small circles? It's gonna look something like this. Keep it in between your palms and start rolling. After that, let's take another color and do the same thing. But this time, we are going to make such long, thin strips. Let's make it together. Why don't we start making a lot of them? Yes, these are the tentacles. And how many tentacles does an octopus have? That's right, 8. So, we will make 8 tentacles. After that, let's make yellow dots and start putting on top of the blue. Yes, this is to give it a beautiful polka dot design. Why don't we do it for all the tentacles? This looks great. Now, it's time for us to put the tentacles on top of the face. Why don't we start doing it together? Give it a beautiful shape and try making it look as if the octopus is crawling. And this looks brilliant, isn't it? Let's put all the 8 tentacles below the circle. And now, let's take white color and start making the eyes. Yes, for this, we require a very small white dot. Let's put 2 such circles right here. And finally, let's take a blue circle and put it in the middle. It is going to look something like this. And now, let's take a white Play-Doh and start making the smile. This looks so good. Now it's time for us to make the yellow polka dots and put it right on top of the face. This looks lovely. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.